Picture this. You walk into your home after a long, exhausting day. Instead of being hit with stale air, last night's cooking, or that mysterious closed room smell, you're greeted by a wave of calm, fresh, spa-like fragrance. Sounds impossible, right? A house that stays fresh 24/7 without expensive sprays, toxic candles, or machines that constantly drain your wallet. But here's the truth. There is one simple hack that can make it possible. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on game-changing tricks like this one. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community. The hidden truth. It's simpler than you think. Here's the surprising part. The secret isn't in buying more, it's in using less. The ultimate hack that keeps homes fresh 24/7 relies on something so basic, you might already have it in your kitchen: baking soda. Yes, the same white powder you use for baking cakes or scrubbing stains. When paired with essential oils, it transforms into a natural odor eliminator that doesn't just mask bad smells, it neutralizes them. Imagine turning every room into a natural spa, with ingredients you already own. Step 1. The foundation, baking soda. Why baking soda? Because it's not just a cooking ingredient, it's a natural deodorizer. It absorbs smells at the molecular level, meaning it doesn't just cover them up, it removes them. Think of it as a silent warrior in your home. Place it in hidden corners, and it works day and night, trapping odors you don't even notice until they're gone. Step 2. The soul, essential oils. Now, here's where the magic happens. Essential oils. Not only do they smell amazing, but they also carry mood-boosting properties. Lavender calms, lemon energizes, peppermint refreshes. Eucalyptus clears the air, literally. When combined with baking soda, these oils don't just add fragrance. They give your home a personality, a feeling, a story. Imagine waking up to a burst of citrus in the kitchen or winding down in a lavender-scented living room. It's not just about freshness, it's about how you feel in your own home. Step 3. The hack in action. Here's how you do it. Take half a cup of baking soda. Add 15 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix them together in a small jar or bowl. Place it anywhere: your living room, bathroom, closet, or even inside the fridge. That's it. No machines, no sprays, no chemicals. Just a natural freshness that lasts for weeks. For an extra boost, sprinkle this mix lightly on carpets before vacuuming. Suddenly, your whole floor becomes a diffuser. Why this hack works better than anything else. Think about it. Store-bought air fresheners fight odors temporarily, but this hack attacks the problem at its source. It neutralizes bad smells and replaces them with freshness that lingers. It's safe, affordable, customizable, and effective. And the best part? You're in full control. You decide the scent, you decide the strength, you decide the mood of your home. The suspenseful truth. When I first tried this, I didn't believe it would last. I thought, sure, it'll work for a day or two, but then it'll fade. But weeks later, my living room still smelled fresh. And that's when it hit me. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones. Your fresh home future. So here's the truth. Freshness doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be artificial. And it doesn't have to be temporary. With one simple hack, baking soda and essential oils, you can transform your home into a space that welcomes you every single day with peace, energy, and calm. No more waste, no more toxins, just a home that feels alive. If you found this hack useful, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with friends and family who deserve a fresher, healthier home. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you never miss the next life-changing tip. Because sometimes, the biggest changes in life come from the simplest secrets.